yang iwei brother ila itho bah kapor babon yang ki brother kila yo ekani jingpang ila long iwei na ki ban ai jingarap yakini ki brother ki bala hak pan kerpang ila die ila ong bakani jingpang kam dai ban panya khlat yangi na ka jingdan ban sim ban yarap iki wei hakani kapor ni dai ban shem ya kalat ban yarap iki badan kam hapden ke jingarap jong i yakini ki para brother ki bapulilang ila ile kat bala ban pikir ila di da ka badeng mas bandeng i jing sop kti hapor bali ai bam ban that ki kti man kapor henry wat la kataru ila yo pan ban yala diru kani ki jing yo jong i yakani ki jing pangpat kam sham la pan tolot ya ka jingen ile thu ba kani ka khlam ka de ka jing hikai yangi bangin ple ki khmat bagin pet sau dong jongi ban kener la ki kti ban yarap ik badan kam tam ya ka jing yarap larang ile kumta ublai utip kham bhayangi
If somebody is in need, take the first initiative to help, because that is the actually we were also told. I remember when one of the fathers were telling us. Always I keep reminding myself about that. He was sharing like this, to actually human beings require the help of others in two instances. One, when they are sick. When they're sick, we cannot do many things. Others have to help. Second thing is when they are old. When they are old. And so this is a situation many times which call for help. So if you know that there is somebody in help and there is nobody to help, then we should take the initiative. That's why Jesus said, no man can have greater love than to lay down his life for your friends. So I'm not telling that we should lay down our life. No, we don't know. But what we can, because that's the instant in which you can extend your help. After that, there may be time you may be late. Now that's the time. And I feel that when we come out of ourselves to help others, surely God will help us much more. And in a way, I appreciate the work of numerous nurses and doctors who are on the front line, risking their lives, risking their families, and working out of time. They are not asked to do, but seeing the situation, seeing the people who are struggling, they are coming out of their way, risking their lives. So in this campaign, in this, so whatever we can do, let us also extend our helping hand when it is necessary. Then God will also help us. That's only thing which we can do right now. The rest, let's continue to support each other with our prayers, with our good deeds, helping hands, and if we can help materially or whatever way possible, let's try. All of us know what we can do. So that's the only thing what we can do. The rest, let us entrust to the Lord. I am completely sure that this phase also will pass. This phase also will pass because God is there, and He will not leave us, forsaken. Sometimes we may feel like that, but we may feel that sometimes we may ask why. What's the reason? What's the meaning? Why all these are happening? But see, we most of us are thinking with our myself also. Sometimes we feel like that with our human knowledge, human understanding, but God is much more than all these. Okay, many things we will not be able to give the explanation, but let's trust. Till now, the best thing for me personally, when I feel little depressed or then I think of my past. The very many blessings God has showered in my life. When I didn't least expect. When I least expected, people or somebody comes to help in my life when I am really in need. So if the good Lord who has helped me, protected me till now, even if many of us got COVID, but still we recovered. We are, by His grace, we are able to live the normal life. So if He had done in the past, surely He will do in the present and also in the future. So no need to worry. Let's be united in our prayers and whatever way possible. And with the help of the Lord, this phase also we will be able to overcome this phase and give glory to the Lord. If we get the opportunity, get the vaccination, take necessary precautions. That is what I would like to share with you all from my personal experience. Now, if we can get the vaccination, that's the best thing. First thing what we can do, vaccination. Apart from that, what I would like to tell is, be strong, be strong, be strong. And